Yeah, a lot more people suffer through trichotillomania or hair pulling than you think. Anxiety is very hard to really get a handle on and really make yourself feel comfortable having, let alone treating. And so a lot of times you just don't notice it, and when you do notice it, you kind of have this, oh yeah, they have it too. It's not. And mine just happens to be really bad because I'm an anxious person. No, I don't. I really think I had to work my way to it because I was very against it at first. I really wanted to try and get my my own issues under control and see if I could make my hair to where I wanted it to be. And it kind of just escalated during COVID. And so I felt I really needed it after that, and I think I needed that processing time and that feeling of, like, when I shaved my head, I needed that feeling of trying to grow it back and seeing where I was at, and then realizing, okay, maybe I do need one, I do need a wig. And trying the wig really did help my feelings of how I felt, and now I wear one every day and I feel no different. I feel like I'm just wearing my hair. I'm pretty great. I got my first wig here and it's been several years, so my hair has definitely darkened because of wearing the wig. And so I really needed something new, and plus after so many years the wig kind of doesn't always go with what you feel anymore. Right. And I was wanting something a little more natural to my hair than it is now with less sun. And you guys have been great with me both times I've been here, so I wanted to come back, especially since I came back a while ago and I saw all the wigs that Bravada's has been making, and I was like, oh my god, those are beautiful, I need to have one. But I knew I wasn't ready for a new wig then. So I was excited to get a new one, and you guys really helped me with it. Yeah, most people don't notice. They don't notice, and a lot of times most people are more accepting about it than you think. I've told people that I've gotten close to that I wear wigs, and they looked at me and they're like, but it looks so natural. And I tell them, nope, that's just how I wanted it, and that's how they did it. So trust the people with the skills. I would not trust yourself to try to do it, and if you don't feel comfortable wearing something that's not going to be the color you want, then you gotta trust the people that know what they're doing, because I've known throughout my life that I know what I do, I can do what I do, but I cannot for the life of me color my hair. I tried, it ended horribly, and I had orange tips for a while. So trust the people who know how to do it, and you get great results, as you can see.